Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to OPPO Reno 10. Firstly, just go into Play Store on both devices and download free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Now, in order to set it up, tap on the same options. Begin by selecting I agree at the top. Then click on Confirm, Continue, and Allow. And on the second one, I agree, Confirm, Continue, Allow. In this pop-up, you can select Not Now if you want to, then close it by hitting OK. Nextly, select Close in white pop-up at the top and tap on Send at the bottom left corner of an Android. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of OPPO. Also on OPPO, tap on one of those options to decide if you wish to personalize your ad experience. Yes, I agree, or no, thanks. Then select Close this window and go back to an Android. You can finally use all of those categories available at the top to pick multiple files that you wish to transfer. Then select Send next to Selected at the bottom. Finally, hit Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and pick the best connection way for you. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, select scanning icon right next to input key on OPPO Reno. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. In order to input this key, just tap on Input Key section instead and type in all of those numbers in correct order. Lastly, hit Receive button. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!